In this lesson, we'll be talking about the direct child selector. Open up relational selectors1.html from your working files folder. Here's how direct child works. If I target, let's say, this UL called great-grandparent1, and then I want to get every grandparent, every LI that's immediately inside of it, but I don't want to target these guys, I can use the direct child selector. So if I say great-grandparent LI, very similar to this up here, that's going to get me the great-grandparent, but then it'll get me all the LIs inside, including these LIs with the class of child. I don't want to get those. I want to get only the LIs that are direct children of the great-grandparent. The way I can do that is by using the direct child selector. Now, of course, an alternative way for me to do it in this context would just simply be to target grandparent. But the only reason that works is because I happen to already have a class of grandparent on these guys. If I didn't, I wouldn't be able to do that, and I'd be forced to use something like direct child. It's a very good tool to have in your tool belt. Although it's often difficult to think of examples when you might need it, you'll actually find you need the direct child selector quite a bit. Now, the direct child selector is supported on every browser all the way down to IE7, but IE6 and below don't support it. Generally, in this day and age, you don't have to support IE6, but if for some reason you do, keep in mind that the direct child selector will be completely ignored, and this line here will be parsed as if there were no direct child selector.